Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with TwoWire Direct. Today I'm going to talk about our 3 most popular earpiece versions that we carry for the Motorola CP200 radio. So this one is the original CP200 radio, so it's the analog version. They actually don't make this anymore, but we do carry it as a refurbished model. This radio has a M1 connector on the side. It has a cover on it, so you'll have to open it to reveal that. And the 3 earpiece options that we carry for this is a 2-wire surveillance earpiece kit, a DShell earpiece, and a G-Hook earpiece. With the 2-wire surveillance earpiece kit, you have 2 wires. One has the push-to-talk button and the microphone, and the other is the actual in-ear portion. The DShell earpiece is 1 wire. The push-to-talk button is here, and it has an alligator clip on it. The earpiece itself actually sits on the outside of your ear. Our last option is the G-Hook Earpiece. It has a swivel piece on the top so you can easily wear it on the right or the left side. It's 1 wire and the push-to-talk button is down here, and there's an alligator clip on the back as well. All of these earpieces have the M1 connector, so that's what matches with the Motorola CP200, CP200D, and a few other models from Motorola. So if you open this side and reveal it, the wire should be facing upwards. And it's a 2-pin connection, and you want to make sure you press firmly so you get it engaged. And there you go. To check out these earpieces or this radio, visit our website at twowaredirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. For more videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe.